Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to see your accepted friend requests on Facebook. For that, go and open your Facebook app and then head to your three-bar icon, and there you will see this gear button. That's our setting and privacy, and right after that you will see settings. Tap on that, and after that what you need to do is go on your activity, and after opening your setting and privacy you need to scroll down, and there you can see your activity, and just below that you can see activity log there, and you will see this connection on this third option. Tap there and go on friends and tap on your friends there, and you can see all the date of the people you have connected with. I was connected with this person on this date, and this person with this date, and this person in this date, and similarly you can see that in chronological order. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.